showing you how to install Bootstrap in an Angular project. Let's go ahead and get started. We just want to start off with running a couple of commands. You can see here I have a navbar Bootstrap ready to go. So let's start off with installing Bootstrap. So if you just want to go down to the terminal in your project and say np install, when you say Bootstrap, if I can spell, and say --save. Now we also want to do this for the popper.js, which involves a lot of drop downs in Bootstrap, otherwise your drop downs won't work. So we're going to do the same thing, npm install popper.js --save. Now if you want to be sure that those things installed, you can actually just open up your package.json file, and you can see here we have Bootstrap and popper.js. It is important here that you get Bootstrap 5.3.1, which is the latest version. In your case, it could be in the future, so it could be another later version. But the next thing you want to do is actually go to your angular.json, because right now we have it installed, but the project doesn't know we have it, so we got to tell it to use it. And so when you go to the angular.json file, if you just go to the architect, build, and then you want to go to the styles and scripts, and you just want to import some stuff in the styles and the scripts. So we're just going to comma, and we want to import this, and then you want to go to the scripts, and you also want to import this. So now if we save, and we can do ng-serve, whatever is in the app component will recognize the Bootstrap, and it should be good to go. So initially it looked like this, which we don't like. And if we wait for it to load, we can see that it has run and recognize it has Bootstrap. And now we're good to go. That is how you install Bootstrap. If you have any questions, feel free to comment.